my channel here today. We got a collaboration today with lovely Natasha Rachel of Natasha Rachel Photography down in Whitesburg, Kentucky. I forgot where I was at for a second, my fault. So down here in Whitesburg, Kentucky, we got two lovely models with us right here, the lovely Rupa and the lovely Autumn. You have seen Autumn before. We did she did my first behind the scenes video actually that I posted up a long time ago. So if y'all want to go check that out, just go check it out. I'm not going to link it below, so just go check it out on your own, put the work in. But yeah, so I got the lovely Natasha. She's really great at what she do. I'm gonna put some of her work up so you can see some of the work. Of course, I'm gonna put everybody's I forgot, I went blank. But anyway, I'm gonna put everybody's contacts, IG, all that stuff in the description below so you can give us in. So right now I'm gonna pass it over to her, let her give you an introduction on what she does and how great she does it.
Hey guys, I'm Natasha Rachel Photography and I shoot here in Whitesburg, Kentucky. It's kind of like on the border of Kentucky and Virginia, so pretty versatile. We can go anywhere, but I mostly do boudoir. A lot of my stuff comes from like art because I paint and draw anyway, so a lot of it's really artistic. So I plan to make him and then get wild today. So let's get weird.
All right, you heard it first. So we're gonna get a little crazy today. Like I said, this is not more of a challenge. It's just more to show how two photographers work and their different workflows of how they're just doing things and see the mindset of two different photographers. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you at the end.
This you're gonna get on this table. Ass here, face here, and you're gonna be like on all fours. This is very similar to Ariana Grande's video, 7 Rings. She is on a countertop and she's got like a lot of like gels going on. It's very like Japanese Tokyo lit, so that's kind of what we're trying to emulate here, but do it in our own way. And then I'm gonna move probably this a little bit, but you go ahead and like, just like that. That's stunning. And then kind of like part the knees, yep, part the knees, and then pull the skirt up off of this knee. Yep, because that way you don't look short. There you go, perfect. And then kind of like, that looks great. And then you'll just take the hand down and look at me. That looks amazing. Right there, perfect. It's gorgeous. Right there, I wanna make sure people can see that you're literally on a table because that's amazing. Feels very like wild, like it feels wild and vulgar and awkward, but it's like when you see it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, girl, like you feel.
My favorite saying is, if it feels awkward, it looks weird.
I say if it feels weird, it looks good. That's my thing. Okay, I love like your knees like kind of pointing more toward me, and then now just like kind of like go, yes. Feel like a cat, just like, yeah, yes, girl, work it. That's amazing. Now let's have you like almost lay. You can like lay on your stomach on the table. So just go all the way down now. And you can like bring your legs up in the back and cross them because that's always cute. And then I think, yes, do kind of like a diagonal. So you'll basically bring your upper body toward me up to the corner of that table and your lower body to the corner of that on the opposite side. So like, yeah, take your legs, yep, perfect. And then you can pull the skirt down right there in front of them, but there you go. And then now, just like grip that table and kind of, yep. It's all like very like cat-like poses. And then the knee, bring that knee up to the chest a little bit more. Perfect. And then point the toes, because we're gonna show off these badass boots too. Amazing. Oh, that's gorgeous. God, I love this. That's gorgeous. Then look right here, stunning. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I want to do one of you laying completely flat on your stomach. So like, and then cross your feet in the back, and then kind of scoot your body down because you're going to lay all the way down and kind of have your like head balled up into your arms like this. Yes, that's stunning. That is gorgeous. Yeah. And then you can like grab the curtain and like play with it and like hold it close to you. Huh? I was getting just like a little bit of shadow coming from the curtain this way, so I want like the face to be really dreamy and lit because I'm insane. So I just switched it to this side just to see if we get a little bit more like softness, because I love soft and dreamy. And then you can just like hold that curtain, and I'm getting really close on you right now. So it's basically just like face.
In this lovely video right now, I got on this in the bed. Outfit is pretty typical outfit, and right now she's at work today.
Okay, so we've got her in a leopard bodysuit and leggings. It's kind of 80s, it's kind of edgy, and I've got just like a black snake skin background. And then I've just stripped the unsun down, there's no gels, and it's just with the umbrella, and just, it's gonna be natural and soft looking and nice, hopefully. I'm probably gonna light her from the side first, and that'll be a little bit more contrasty. And then I'm gonna put the light behind me and light her this way, and it's kind of gonna resemble more natural light when I do that, which is really weird, but it works. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's do, that's the pose I was gonna put you in. All right, go for it. Now let's have you like turn to the side, and then you're gonna push like a leg out for me. Push this one that's like closest to me, that one, and then kind of tuck the arm behind that, and then give me like, yep. Oh, she bad. She can stay, we like her. She's cute. She can stay.